Listen and repeat.
Interview for getting work. Interview for getting work. Hello, Ms. Amina, nice to meet you. I'm Iman, the hiring manager of INA Software.
Nice to meet you, Ms. Iman.
Did you have any trouble finding the office?
No, the directions on the website are great.
So, how did you hear about this job?
I saw an advertisement online.
Why don't you tell me a little bit about yourself?
I studied at Cairo University and graduated in 2015 with a degree in computer science. I've worked at LCI Software for 5 years. It has been great experience, but I've run out of room to grow with LCI, and I'm looking for new opportunities.
Why would you like to work at our company?
I can see that your company has much future growth potential. I've really been impressed with your ambitious goals and the plan you have for achieving those goals. Furthermore, I'd like to grow my career at a company that has great reputation.
What is your greatest strength?
I'm a hard worker, and I'm always eager to learn new things. I'm dependable and I'm also a good team player.
What is your greatest?
My biggest weakness is public speaking. It's something that I've spent a lot of time working on and in which I've improved a great deal.
What would you do if you didn't get on with someone in your team?
I'd try to find a solution in a calm and rational manner. I'd do my best to get on with that person for the sake of the team.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
In 5 years, I'd like to gain more experience in software development.
I hope to be offered the chance to take the lead on some projects.
That's quite impressive, I must admit. Do you have any questions for me about the company or the job?
No, thank you.
Okay, thank you so much for coming in, Ms. Amina. It was great to meet you.
It was great to meet you too.
I'll give you a call very soon.
Sounds good. I look forward to it.
Essential phrases for a job interview. Essential phrases for a job interview. I look forward to. I look forward to. Points of strength. Points of strength. Points of weakness. Points of weakness. Respect. Respect. Opportunity. Opportunity. Experience. Experience. Skills. Skills. Goals. Goals. Leader. Leader. Job. Job. Interviewee. Interviewee. Interviewer. Interviewer. Applicant. Applicant. Tell me about yourself. Tell me about yourself. Can you list your strengths? Can you list your strengths? What weaknesses do you have? What weaknesses do you have? Why should I consider hiring you? Why should I consider hiring you? Where do you see yourself 5 years from now? Where do you see yourself 5 years from now? Why do you want to work here? Why do you want to work here?